lovely students, here we go for the third very important library called Seaborn. With the help of Seaborn, you can plot the graph on your data analysis of the query result. Why it is necessary? Because pictorial representation is better to understand the data. If you will put only text in your data analytics report, it will become extremely boring. So the right combination of the tags, the tabular format of data, and the pictorial representation of your data with the help of the library like Seaborn to plot the graph makes your data story very interesting and effective. So what is Seaborn? Seaborn is a library for making statistical graphics in Python. It builds on top of Matplotlib and integrates closely with Pandas data structures. Seaborn helps you to explore and understand your data. I told you, you cannot just keep your all text and tabular format of data. You need to put graphical representation. जब आप मान लीजिए कोई आपका फेवरेट स्पोर्ट देखते हैं आईपीएल उसमें different batsmen का comparison किया जाता है in a graph that in how many innings who has scored how much century average, right? So the graph makes understand or comparison of the data better, and your storytelling becomes very interesting, right? So again, as I told you, the last video of this playlist will have a program utilizing all these four libraries. So why to wait? Let's jump to the next last important library for this playlist. There may be hundreds or thousands, but I'm covering this four very important in your syllabus of engineering. Okay, let's jump to the fourth very important library and the next slide. Here I go.